Okay, well, it's time to travel a little bit into the weird zone today. We haven't been here in a bit. So
Right up my alley.
Yeah. I did it for you.
Great.
I see you sitting over there, you know. It can't be buttoned up all the time. It can't be just the speeds and feeds and the figures and the graphs and the marketplace and the smartphone fatigue. You're a guy in the world.
Yeah.
Guy like you.
Some strange stuff.
There's stuff going on.
Yeah.
And we're living in a time to be alive. You understand how that goes as well. So in this time, we've got a new development in the ongoing saga of the chicken sandwich wars of 2019, which will be remembered throughout history. They will write about it, read about it, recite it in scripture.
Are you talking about the new KFC?
Will he do, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, we don't even have to. I mean, look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I was excited for
Hold
it
the
too.
camera. Hold the camera.
I gotta say.
Kirk, hold the camera. Don't cut. Just let him feel it for a minute. Let him just absorb. Yeah, I mean, Zoom would be good. No, let him feel it. Let him have it. He wanted a moment. He got it for himself. He just got himself
Kirk, why do I have to say it?
the focus. You're the guy, Willie Do. It's incredible. You read my mind. KFC's donut chicken sandwich. My God, is this real life? Or is this real life? I don't know. It's a chicken sandwich wedged between two glazed donuts. And I don't know how to feel. I feel weird. I feel tingly. I don't know.
What kind of donut is it?
Yeah, I don't know, Will.
Krispy Kreme? Or?
It looks like a Krispy Kreme. Now, I was reading about this, and I was like, okay, obviously this is crazy. They obviously want to make a meme out of it. They obviously want guys like us to talk about it, and it's working. So, but the surprising part to me is this is actually a thing that's existed before, not at KFC, but there are a couple of places that specialize in donut chicken combos. So you may have heard in the past about the waffle chicken combo, like chicken and waffles.
Oh, yeah.
But you didn't know about the donut chicken waffle.
Okay. Where are you going with this?
I don't know where I'm going, man.
I feel like
I'm just surprised that it was already a thing. I looked at it like, whoa, innovative, crazy maniac. I don't know.
So this is
like
the
if you're
first
I don't know
time.
if this is your last meal or something, like who cares? Go for it.
Right.
What is the sauce? Is the sauce icing or mayo? Like I don't even. It looks like icing. It looks like icing.
Yeah.
It looks like extra glaze from the donuts. It's obviously very sweet. But like, no, to be clear, okay, this is a new thing for them that they're testing, but there's a couple of places that serve this type of stuff. There's a place called Federal Donuts Restaurants in Philadelphia, and there's another place called Astro Donuts and Fried Chicken, which there's one in Washington, D.C. and Los Angeles that have specialized in this thing. And then other people saying it's a riff on the Luther burger. So this is coming via eater.com. They've done the research on the origin story of the donut chicken sandwich combo, donut chicken flavor relationship that was unexpected. Of course, KFC, no stranger to the outlandish chicken sandwich. They were the purveyors of the double down at one point in time. How about the combo, though? Hey, look at the combo there. What do you get in that combo? You would get... KFC is also offering a basket meal version. You have your choice of bone-in chicken or 2 tenders, plus a single donut or 2 donuts for $7.49. Participating locations will also just sell you a donut for $1 a piece. Kirk, don't even. You understand? Don't even. Hey, man, this is no holds barred. You understand? This is the moment of like, no rules. You see how it goes? This is like the early days of the UFC. This is the food version of UFC 1 and 2.